Hi, welcome to section on security. In this section, we are going to look at authentication and authorization using OAuth, the basic setup for OAuth and the grant types. Let's begin with authentication and authorization of OAuth. In this video, we'll explore the new paradigm that has evolved over the past few years, OAuth. We'll also learn and use OAuth tool for implementation. Authentication and authorization is not something new and is used for all web applications. Take a look at this simple diagram. Many of us might have used Quora. In Quora, we can do many things. We would not be discussing about it now. The simplest feature is that we can log in on Quora using Twitter, Facebook, Google. This is where we are having an authentication in Quora using our credential, which we have used for other social media site accounts as well. Another thing is we can authorize Quora to post on our behalf on Twitter. This is possible, and this is where OAuth is important. So if you look at this diagram, there is a Quora server, and there is a user, and there is a Twitter server. So we log into Quora and provides the authorization to the user resources on Twitter. And using this authorization, Quora, which is a client, can read and post to the Twitter. It all depends on what permission Quora requests from Twitter and on what we authorize it. Based on that, it gets an access to our data on Twitter. It is that simple as it is. And this was all about authentication and authorization.